What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another great episode. Today we are making honey lemon cupcakes. Okay, it's gonna be a fresh recipe. It's gonna be a great recipe. First thing first, we will need a cheese grater and we will need a fresh lemon. And we will try to, as you guys can see, we will try to grate our lemon. So we don't need a lot of it. What I'm making is 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. I'm grating the fresh lemon. So this is our fresh lemon zest. Okay, this all goes in there. This is the main ingredient for our recipe. I'll grate a little bit more. That's all we need. So the lemon this side is being grated or shredded. Let's move to our mixer. So for this recipe, if you don't have a mixer, you can take a whisk and a bowl and you can put the same ingredients in there and you can just whisk it. So make it your life easy and have a mixer. The food mixer help a lot in the kitchen. Alright guys, so here I have salted butter, 1 whole large stick. So it's a little bit soft. If your butter is thick, I mean it's hard, put it in microwave for 30 seconds and it's gonna be a soft butter. And this is the biggest baking spoon, okay, biggest baking cup spoon. We'll add 1 spoon in here. This is our fresh lemon zest. We will add this here, all of it, because it's gonna give all the flavor to our honey lemon cupcakes. We have our salted butter, our sugar, and our fresh lemon zest. It's all here. We will set our mixer for mixing. So at least get a kind of mix. So it's been a couple minutes. Our butter, our sugar, and our fresh lemon zest has been mixed up pretty much. These are the 2 same big whole baking cups of all-purpose flour. We will add all here. It's a very easy recipe, guys. So here goes our vanilla almond milk. Okay, you can use a regular milk, but then you have to add a vanilla essence to it. I got the vanilla essence milk, almond milk. So we will add 1 whole cup. You guys see, this is 1 whole cup, and we will just add it right there. This is 1 tablespoon, like regular tablespoon of baking powder. We will add it here. 1 whole egg, and we will add it here. We'll give it a mix. If you guys see it closely, all the mixtures are in here. After mixing up for 5 minutes, I think there's like 2 big cups of flour and sugar, fresh lemon zest. I'll add 1 more whole egg in here. After mixing all the ingredients in our mixer for 5 minutes, you see guys, it's all a perfect thick refined paste. This is what we need. So now what we're gonna do, guys, this is the best part. First of all, clean up your mixer, I mean the blades, most of it. Take a Ziploc bag. Everyone has a Ziploc bag, right? Take a big spoon and fill up all the batter, or some of it for now, you know, just to make it easy, just like this, in our Ziploc bag. This all fresh lemon zest aroma, the smell, it's wonderful. Okay, I'm going to deal with half of it first, and if I needed more, we will work towards it. So this goes all in here. Take a napkin, I mean just wipe out the extra mess. This is it. Lock the Ziploc bag from top and press everything at one side. So if you guys see, this all batter is at one side. It's all ready to go now. Get the paper cups, ready-made paper cups, 6 holes. I'll take 2 of them, 2 paper cups, and place them right there. Trust me, follow this recipe. It's a fresh lemon zest recipe. With the butter, with the sugar. I actually use the brown sugar, light brown sugar, and the milk, the vanilla, almond milk. So you will get all those flavors once your cupcakes are ready. Here it is. Okay, so our Ziploc bag with all the batter in here. Just like that, very easy. And fill up your cups evenly. Don't fill up all the way up. Just fill them about 80%. So easy, right? I'm doing it slow. So what a perfection is this? We'll take our spoon, the baking spoon, and just make it even, you know, just a little bit. Just spread it so it forms a nice surface from the top. Don't worry about it has to be a perfect or no. It's gonna form a perfect surface once it's in the oven. So let's move on to the next step. For now, we will take these honey lemon cupcakes and we'll bake this for 20 minutes at 350 degrees in our regular oven. So I'll see you guys after 20 minutes. Well guys, this is after 25 minutes. These are our fresh honey lemon cupcakes, okay? It's very hot right now at the moment. In the meantime, I took the wooden stick after 20 minutes. If you guys see the holes, I was just poking in and just to check. If the dough was coming out, it means it was not done. But since the dough is not coming out, it means it's all fully ready. So now we will take out our cupcakes. Looks so cute, right? Pretty and cute. I'll try to take out all of them and put it right here so they get onto room temperature first. We all love lemon cupcakes. Take raw honey and just make a small circle on top of it. Not too much. With all of them. We will take a baking brush and spread it all over our cupcakes. Take a baking brush and paint the honey on top of it. So cooking is like arts, right? So you have to make sure the final product should be appetizing, good looking. So here I have shimmer, white shimmer sugar. I'll just sprinkle a little bit right on top of it. It's just sprinkling right now everywhere. It's all okay. So here you go guys. This is our final product right here. Okay, so the moment of truth. Here is our homemade, fresh honey lemon cupcake. Check the sides guys. How beautifully it's roasted. How wonderful. You can take the whole cupcake out and put it right here. Let's take a bite. You see the honey? It's like going all the way in. Check it here. It's all fully cooked. The best lemon zest flavor in there. The butter, vanilla, almond milk. You can taste everything. And it's so easy to make. I just shared the whole refreshed recipe with you guys. Do try this recipe and let me know guys your thoughts in the comment section. If you look at closer, it goes the perfect. It can be your breakfast, it can be your snack. It's a wonderful. Let me just show you one more. Wow. Easily just coming out of it. Adding the honey on top, it gives the nice spongy feel to it. Perfectly done, guys. Cleanly done. I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Make yourself a cup of coffee and then try this recipe. It's really delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Subscribe to the channel and bye-bye from now. Adios.